Hello, my friends. How are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself, Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So, guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you Angular 20 text to speech converter demo. And guys, let me tell you, I'm working on it. This is just the beginning, and I'm just showing a demo to you. And see, I think you will like it. And if you will have any kind of suggestion, then please comment on this video. So guys, before showing a working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see. It's my Angular 20. Let me show you my Angular version as well. 20.0.3. So latest, and here is the text area where I have written the text, and now I will press on the speak button.
Hello.
See,
Hello.
hello, welcome to the whichpost.com. Now we'll check or press
Hello. Welcome to Therichpost.com.
wait.
Hello. Welcome to Therichpost.com. This is just demo and I am working on it and please give me your suggestions on it. This is just demo and I am working on it and please give me your suggestions on it. Thanks. Thanks.
See,
Thanks.
stop. See,
Thanks. Hello. Hello. Thanks. Hello. Hello. Thanks. Hello.
see, stop works fine, and I can download as well. Download, see, the download. And guys, also you will see this select voice as well, and you can select. Guys, one more thing. I am just implementing the Punjabi language as well. I will show you when it will be done 100%. So guys, this is it, and if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also my friends, please contact me via my beautiful blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. In this page you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also a full-time freelancer, you can hire me on hourly basis. And also on my blog you will get multiple free stuff for Angular, React.js, Vue.js, Laravel, WordPress, Bootstrap 5, and thousands of free admin dashboard templates as well. Here we go. So guys, for today, see, and I will come with more instruction demos as well. And guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.